What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? It is Thursday, December 2nd, 2021. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. What's up, Marvin? Hey, Zach in the house. Nice seeing you, man. Always nice to have Zach here. Thank you guys for joining me today. Yeah, I was a little late, but for good reason. I was busy adding some memes at the end here. I think you guys are going to like these memes, these new memes I have. Well, it's a one meme, but I have like a variation. You guys got to vote on which ones stay and which ones go. But yeah, guys, thanks for joining me today. Today, we're doing the show from Tendy Town. Much needed. Crazy day, actually. You know, it started really in the green, and then it started tanking. Like a couple hours in. Sorry about the sirens, guys. But yeah, it started tanking, went good, like at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Oop, wrong one. And, it finished very strong here. So, yeah, Tendy Town today. So I hope you guys made some fat tendies. This was much needed today. Very strong market day. So, got a great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And we have 3 pieces of news today, 3 articles to go over. 2 of them are about the C-19, updates on that. One about our President Joe Biden. Where's my... one about New York City. And one about the government shutdown. We talked about the government shutdown, I think, yesterday. Or the day before, can't remember. But we got an update on the government shutdown. And today, for the analysis, we'll be going over DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp, PHUN Phunware, and CFVI, which is Rumble. That's a new SPAC. So, all 3 of these were trending on StockTwits today, top 10. They're all related. They're all, well, you know, they're all conservative social media. New conservative social media. So, for some reason, that's really hot lately. So, we'll cover all of that. Shouldn't take too long. These charts are pretty easy. Not too much TA to go over. And then, as always, we'll get to our Yolos. And there wasn't too many Yolos to pick out today. So, I just chose the best ones. But, yeah, this show should not take too long today. Unless, you know, a lot of people come in here and chat, which I always welcome. But let's try to keep it 2 hours, 2.5 hours today. Well, it needs to be under 2.5 hours because I told my friend I'd have dinner with him at 6:30. But yeah, you know, shouldn't take too long today. What's up, Peasy? So people coming in nice and early today. So appreciate all you guys. It's gonna be a great show already. I can tell. Yeah, Zach, we're holding up. We're pretty good. We're holding up as best as we can. You know, in these conditions, crazy stuff. But hey, appreciate that, and glad you could join today, man. I don't appreciate this fake cat bounce we are seeing right now. How do you know it's fake? It could be real, dude. I certainly hope not. I certainly hope it's. I certainly hope, you know, it keeps on going up. I think you mean dead cat bounce. Well, same thing, fake cat bounce. I mean, I certainly hope it's not a... We'll call it fake cat bounce, because if I keep saying, you know, the D word too much, we're gonna get... YouTube is gonna... not shadow ban, but not promote me. But, yeah, certainly hope it's not a fake cat bounce, and this is legit. But we'll see. You should look at NFTZ2. Sure, we can go over that. I have no idea what that is. It sounds very familiar. It sounds very, very familiar. But I'm assuming it has to do with NFTs. But sure, we can look at that. All right, guys. Cool. So, let's begin. And as always, before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Alright, guys, so you guys are going to like this. I hope you guys like this. So I added a few memes here. So I got 4 different memes here. They're all pretty much the same, but different variations. So let's take a quick vote on what should stay and what should go. So here we go. Boom. First meme. All right, so this is number 1. Number 2. Number 3. And number 4. So it's our favorite stock market trader, our favorite floor trader, Peter Tuchman, the man, the myth, the legend himself, Peter Tuchman. For those of you who don't know, this guy is a legend on Wall Street bets, living legend. So yeah, I mean I guess I can keep them all. There's different expressions here. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, let me know, guys, which ones you want to stay, which ones you want to keep, and which ones should go. But I think this one's pretty good. Number 2. This is like, you know, during a red day. And this one's pretty good too. I don't know. This one's alright, I think. And this one's alright too. But yeah, I personally like this one, number 2 and number 3. But yeah, this is number 4 and number 1. So let me know which ones should stay and which ones should go. But yeah, new meme here. What's up, Monir? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Yeah, a lot of people coming in nice and early. Appreciate you guys. Gonna be a great show already, I can tell. It's a NFT ETF. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Yeah, we'll check it out. So I thought it was some, like, you know, meme pump and dump, you know, typical with this, all these crypto stocks, crypto exposure stocks. But that sounds pretty legit. NFT ETF. I'll check it out. We can check it out very shortly. Number 2. Number 1, nice. 2 and so, not sure what you mean there, but it seems like you guys like number 2. I like number 2. Yeah, this is for like red days during the Good. But yeah, I like this one. Yeah, so we're definitely gonna keep number 2. I like this one. This is for green days. Yeah. Apparently this guy got the C19. I didn't know that. Apparently this guy got the C19. So I hope he's doing good. Hope he's doing well and recovers soon. But yeah, I like 2 and 3. But yeah, new meme. I hope you guys enjoy that. All right, let's get started. Okay. So the Dow Jones finishes up 1.82%. The Nasdaq finishes up 0.71%, and the S&P 500 finishes up 1.42%. This meme is more relevant than ever now. The J. Powell money printer. We'll get to that. Got a couple articles coming up very shortly. I did not mean to play the sound effect. I meant to hit the off button. But alright, let's get started. Okay. And the VIX is down 11%. VIX is down to 27.7 now, which is still pretty bad. But hey, it went down 11%. So, hey, we'll take it. We'll take it. Okay. So, let's see what's going on here. So, looks like travel stocks are up a lot today. And at this point, travel stocks are pretty much like meme stocks. Airlines, cruises, hotels. All these travel stocks are, yeah, pretty much meme stocks. They're trading like them. So, we got Express up 14.79% today. Biggest gainer on the on my watch list here. Then, yeah, a bunch of travel stocks. Delta Airlines, Carnival Cruise, Wynn Resorts, Norwegian, JetBlue. They're all up 9 to 7%. So, yeah, major recovery day for the travel stocks, which really doesn't make sense because everyone is fearing the new variant now. And so they were tanking, and I don't know why they're up so much today. Hey, nothing makes sense anymore. What's up, Boxer? Thanks for being here, dude. Yeah, a lot of people in here. Appreciate you guys. Please smash the like button, guys. But yeah, really, really appreciate everyone for coming in here nice and early today. A lot of people in here already. Monir, I am looking for short entry on Prague and XCLA. Well, yeah, we can take a look at that. I don't remember the charts off the top of my head, but I know XCLA is pretty damn low already, so I don't know about that. Prague is pulling back last time I checked, but give me a second, and we can look at those charts, and I'll give you my opinion, dude. What's up, Low Roller? Yeah, a lot of people in here today. PHUN is printing, but is only 25 cents. Only went up 25 cents. Yeah, but that's still up, what, like 5% today? I really didn't want to talk about these stocks. You know, I usually talk about things 10% up or more, but they were like trending a lot today. It was either that or ABUS again. I didn't want to talk about that. I don't want to talk about AMC again, so we're going to go with these three today. What's up, Diesel Daddy? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. GREE Fat Short Squeeze. I did not see that. Let's check it out. I need my meme stock to trade like meme stocks. The real meme stocks? Yeah. The real meme stocks, this is what they're trading like. That's what the meme stocks are trading like the real meme stocks. Yeah, Zach says Prague and XCLA are not worth it. I'd have to agree, but let me look at the chart. So I guess real quick, let's look at all these charts. Let's look at GREE. I don't know why I have this random line here. Well, I'm not sure what the short interest is, but I drew that yesterday, I think. But damn, this keeps on pulling back. I don't know what the short interest is, but I'm assuming there is a lot of shorts here because it just keeps on going down. But even without the short interest, this is pretty decent entry. I think I said yesterday, like 15 was a good one. So it kind of looks like it's, well, it did look like it was bottoming out, and then took a massive dump again today. So it could keep pulling back. But RSI is getting pretty low, 32, so it could be a good buying opportunity pretty soon. And this gap filled at 19. Interesting. So I'm not so sure about short squeeze. Not saying it's not going to happen. I just really don't know what the short interest is. But I certainly hope so, dude. For all the apes and for you, Diesel Daddy. All right. Prague. Yeah, Monir, honestly, I mean, it's, it could be a good play, because there's a gap here at, like, 110. So it could come back to 110, very possible. But, you know, it's not the greatest entry, to be honest, because, you know, it already went down so much from 6. So, it's not necessarily a bad play. But he definitely missed out on a lot already. But, it very well could come back to 110. So, it could be a good play. It could be a good play. All I'll say is, you missed out on the fat tendies already. But, you know, if it comes back down to 110, that's still over, that's a lot of downside. That's what, like 60% or something like that? So, this one, I could get behind shorting Prague. There still seems to be a lot of downside to go. But you definitely missed the fat tendies already. But yeah, I can support going short on Prague. XCLA, I don't know about that one. Like, this one is, you know, pushing the all-time low. Around $1. So, I wouldn't really go short on XCLA here. You know, this actually looks like a pretty good long play. I mean, it might go down to $1. But there's not too many tendies here to be made to the downside on XCLA. So the one on Prague is a pretty decent one. I could support that, but XCLA, I don't think that's the best idea going short. So hope that helps you out, Monir. But yeah, thanks for being here, dude. All right, back to the watch list. I cashed out $200 yesterday on survey money. That's a lot, dude. Congrats to you. That's some fat survey money. It is going my PayPal money. Hope you mean I hope you mean you're not putting it in PayPal stock. PayPal's getting wrecked recently. Might put my money in crypto and stock market. Crypto, I would say crypto, yeah. I mean, crypto, yes. Stock market, this is very questionable right now. So, not that it's bad, but I would definitely go with crypto over the stock market right now if you're going to put it somewhere. I see we got a bear here. Yeah. Team Rainbow Bear. I have $18 survey tonight at 7 p.m. Awesome, dude. Load up on Dogecoin. Not financial advice. You're welcome, Monir. All right, so back to this. So, yeah, travel stocks, airlines, cruises, hotels, all going up today for absolutely no reason. Makes no sense whatsoever, but hey, nothing does anymore. PHUN Phunware up 7.69% today. We'll cover that second. Yeah, MGM, another travel stock, hotel stock there. Yeah, Boeing, Hilton, American Airlines. These are Southwest Airlines, all travel stocks. DWAC, which we'll discuss first today, is up 6.22%. Yeah, Marriott up. AMC is up for some reason. So a few meme stocks are up here. Bed Bath & Beyond, AMC, ALF, Uber and Lyft are up. Peloton is up. Looks like financials are up today. Ally Bank, TD, Schwab, MasterCard, yeah, a bunch of American Express, PayPal, a bunch of financial stocks are up. So it looks like today is being led by travel stocks, financial stocks, and a few meme stocks. Oxygen is up 4.64%. That's still at 623, so long way to go. But hey, nice day for Oxygen. BlackBerry's up 4.5%. What else we got here? Yeah, Morgan Stanley, financial stock there. Airbnb, travel stock. Anything else significant here? Not really. Wells Fargo, another financial stock. Disney, this is a pretty big day for Disney. 3.55%, nice. Cannabis is up today. Canopy Growth, I just saw it. Yeah, Canopy Growth, 4.23%. Tilray, 2.91%. Bank of America, another financial there. Looks like cars are up today. Or at least traditional automakers. Toyota, GM. A lot of green here. Honda, yep. A lot of the car companies are up. Fubo, meme stock there. JP Morgan, that's financial stock. IBKR, another financial stock. Tech is up. Nvidia is up 2.2%. Intel 1.85%. Palantir's recovering 1.6%, but yeah, Palantir's been getting wrecked lately. RIP to the Palantards. Where's my funeral meme here? RIP to Palantards. Yeah, Virgin Galactic. Ford is up, another car company there. Virgin Galactic, meme stock. Yeah, Google 1.36%. Robinhood is up. AMD up. So, yep. Big day for the stock market today. Much needed. Much needed. Imagine there was another good day. That would have been really nasty. But yeah, looks like today is being led by a couple memes, travel, financials, car companies, and tech, it seems like. So a lot of things are up today. Check out the red side. OWUV is still going crazy without me. Uh-oh. Holy crap. Wow. Damn, dude. This is pretty insane, though. RSI is at 90 now. Yeah, this is nuts. So, sorry you missed out, dude. But, you know, nothing really makes sense anymore. No one really could predict this. Whatever predicted this. But, yeah, crazy day today. And it's still going here. Well, I mean, it's low float, but aftermarket, it is still going a little bit. Could be a good short play, not financial advice. Boxer, I'm liking RKLB right now. Is that Rocket Lab? That's, I think that's Rocket Lab, right? Yeah. Interesting. This one is, see if I can get my tool here. This one's consolidating, you see? So, probably going to consolidate for longer. Looks like it wants to break out, but it still has a while to consolidate. But, looks like a pretty good entry, if you ask me, not financial advice. But this is consolidating, looking like it wants to break out eventually. So, yeah, man. I'm liking it too. Well, it looks good to me. So, good luck to you, man. Stock market safer on ETF or like Coke, AT&T for free dividend money? Yeah, boomer stocks. Boomer stocks are pretty safe right now. But we're apes here. We don't buy boomer stocks. Up 100% today. Yep. Crazy stuff. Told you about Oxygen. Now, if there would be any type of this catalyst in sight, I'll be in there and exit around 16, 18. Did it bottom out yet? This looks like the bottom. Catching some pretty strong support here. Not going to say it is the bottom, but, you know, $6 looks like some pretty damn strong support there. And, you know, RSI is pretty low, 37. Yeah, I mean, I like it. I like the chart. I like the chart. I don't like the stock. I like the chart. And we do have the gap down here at 1230. Possible cup and handle forming, so I like the entry of around 6. It does look like it's starting to bottom out here. Hopefully. Austin, thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Got wrecked and bought at opening CFVI. Keep buying on the dip. Well, we'll get to CFVI. Third today. But we'll get to this, but you know, not financial advice. There's a big gap here today at like 980, around $10. So it'll probably pull back to 980-ish before it goes back up. But we'll get to this third today. So sorry you got wrecked there. Does it have options yet? It does not. So I would say, yeah, keep buying the dip, keep averaging down, but honestly, maybe hold off till it comes back to 980 first. Not financial advice. But anyway, thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Smash the like button, guys, please. I would appreciate that. A lot of people in here today. Thank you a lot. This is great. Great show already. Okay. Back to the watch list. So on the red side, Novavax down 15.93%. Stuff really makes no sense. The things that are going, stuff that's supposed to be going up, like vaccine stocks, getting wrecked. Stuff that's supposed to be going down, like travel stocks, mooning. I don't know, guys. What is the stock market nowadays? And the VIX is down 10%. Good thing there. Looks like crypto exposure stocks getting wrecked here. Riot down 7.39%. GREE, which is a meme stock, but also crypto stock, I believe. Down 5.63%. Yeah, Vaxart, another vaccine stock, that's down. Chinese EVs going down. Xpeng, Neo, Li Auto, they're all down. Fisker. So, looks like EVs in general are down today, but especially the Chinese EVs. Etsy getting wrecked. What's new? Yeah, Marathon, another crypto exposure stock. Coinbase, MicroStrategy. So, crypto stocks getting wrecked today. Yeah, vaccine stocks going down. Pfizer, Moderna, they're down 3%. The hell's going on here? So, good thing I sold Moderna at like around 350. Chart looks scary, but yeah, this stuff makes no sense. Stocks that are supposed to be going up are going down. Anything else here? Not really, not really. Tesla's down 1%. Yeah, so it looks like the only things really down today are vaccine stocks and crypto for the most part. And MMAT, of course. And Alibaba, of course. And Viacom, of course. Facebook is down a little bit. Oops. So yeah, overall, great day for the stock market. Much needed. Hope you guys printed some fat tendies. And honestly, this makes absolutely no sense whatsoever. It's like inverse. The stock market is trading inverse. The cyclicals, you know, vaccine stocks going down. Why? I don't know. Everything else that's supposed to be going down. Travel going up. Mooning, actually. So, hey, nothing makes sense anymore. That is the state of the market. But yeah, guys, that's the stock market today. Hope you guys printed some fat tendies. Give that the, yeah! I love this new meme. I love it. All right. So let's get on to crypto now. Good segue because you guys are talking about crypto right here in the chat. So give me 1 second. Let me pull up crypto. All right. So, hey, crypto was down earlier. So, a nice little bounce here, nice recovery. Right now, it's up 0.23%. Whoa, what was that? All right. So, let's see what's going on. Got a bunch of meme coins here. Sheeb Elon. This stuff is getting old. Sheeb Elon, down 19%. Then there's Pop Doge. That's a new one. Up 816%. Christmas Floki X. This was mooning yesterday, right? Christmas Floki X. What? This is probably gonna moon all the way up until Christmas, and then just rug. Just a prediction. Look at this. This is so ridiculous. I mean, this just came out yesterday. But it's probably gonna moon. Yeah, it's probably gonna moon until Christmas, and then just rug. Stuff is getting out of hand here. Oh, we got a new one. Prince Floki V2. Well, that's not a new one, but yeah, up 632%. And then there's Rainbow Token. You know what? I have no idea what that is, but I like it. There should be a Rainbow Bear token. I'd buy that. And Metapets. No idea what that is. But interesting stuff. Okay. On to the real coins. Yeah, Boxer has Red coin. I still got that too. All right, Marvin. Got you, dude. So Bitcoin is up 0.56%, pushing 57K again. Ether is sideways. Binance up 0.55%. Solana and Cardano did really well today. Solana's up 8.22%. Cardano 11.55%. Although Cardano's been getting wrecked of late. XRP pretty sideways. Polkadot's down a little bit, 0.43%. Let's go Doge. Doge is finally going back up. Still underwater here, but Doge is up 2.68%. Sheep down 3.44%. Crypto.com pulling back. It's at 69 right now. Nice. Down 2.3%. Litecoin pretty sideways. Not too much price action today. So it was down earlier. Looks like it's recovering right now. I will take it. Let's sort this out here. But really not too much going on in the crypto market today. Yeah, biggest gainer is Cardano. Then OKB, IOTA, Solana. How many coins are in the green here? Good amount. Looks like 40% of the coins in the green. Yeah, so right now it is bouncing back. So now it's up 0.68%. Crypto is going up right now as we speak. But yeah, this is really led by Cardano and Solana and a few smaller cap coins here. Stellar. Yeah, mostly Cardano and Solana. Let's see on the red side. Damn, immutable X's. Sorry, Marvin. I think I just stepped out, but yeah, Marvin is big on immutable X. That's getting wrecked. Down 28% for the week. Elrond down 12%. But, really not so much price action here. This is not too bad. Only one coin in the double digits. Elrond, everything else under 10% in the red here. Looks like a lot of metaverse stocks or coins getting wrecked here. Gala, although that mooned a lot, so that's just pulling back. Avalanche. This really isn't too bad. Loopring is pulling back. Yeah, a lot of metaverse stocks, coins down today. But really not too bad at all. So overall, pretty sideways day for crypto. So I hope you guys made out okay in crypto today. Maybe you should create Rainbow Bear coin, let it ride, see what happens. I'm not skilled for that. I'm not a computer science guy. I don't know anything about coding and whatnot. But if I could, I would. I would buy it just cause. Why not? I don't even care if I lose my money. Why not? Maybe I should hire someone to do it for me, but that sounds pretty expensive. Hire tech lead or something. No, I'm kidding. That guy's a scammer. I used to like him. Yeah, Boxer. I believe Marvin is in GGPI, but I think he stepped out real quick. But he should see your comment here pretty soon. All right, guys. So that is crypto today. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Was down earlier, bouncing back right now. So yeah, hope you guys did all right. So let's get on to the news now. We got 3 articles. 1 second, guys. Let me pull it up. Okay. So today we have 3 articles. 2 about the new Omicron variant. developing story still. And one about the government shutdown. Update to that. So let's read here, guys. Biden. Where's my meme? Where's my sound effect for Biden? Says he doesn't expect. Alright. Biden says he doesn't want lockdowns and won't expand vaccine mandates to fight C-19 this winter. Key points. President Joe Biden said on Thursday his plan to fight C-19 during the winter doesn't include shutdowns or lockdowns. He also said the plan does not expand the current federal vaccine mandates. The president said his plan focuses on more booster shots and more testing. We are in a better position than we were a year ago to fight C-19, Biden said. Okay. So, maybe this had to do with the market run today. This is a little bit more reassuring. Although I don't really know how many people believe this guy. He doesn't want lockdowns. No one wants lockdowns. But, in reality, it might happen if it really gets that bad. It's still early stages in the... It's still early on in the new variant, Omicron saga. So, yeah, this is pretty reassuring. This is nice to hear. But a lot of Americans don't trust this guy. And it's not what he wants. It's, what's best for the country. So, but, the president did comment on the whole Omicron situation right now. So, that's some positive news. Some positive PR coming from the president here. Moving on. Another article about the new variant here. And this one is near my heart. Close to my heart here, because this is about New York City. Let's read. C-19 Omicron variant expected to hit New York in coming days, New York Health Commissioner says. Key points. The new highly mutated C-19 Omicron variant is expected to hit New York State in the coming days, the state's health commissioner said. The announcement comes hours after the second U.S. case of the variant was confirmed in a Minnesota resident who recently returned from New York City. Uh-oh.
Bruh.
Dr. Mary Bassett, the New York State's health commissioner, noted that the Wadsworth Center, the state health department's biodefense lab, is continuing to conduct genomic sequencing to identify the variant. Okay. Of course. Never fails. The places where, the most mandates and the most restrictions are in place, aka California, New York, they're the ones with all the cases. This is crazy. So, great. It's in New York City. It's in New York State. It's in New York City now. Great. Although, the person who came into New York City, was from Minnesota, and they attended, like, Comic-Con or something, some anime con, and they're already back there. But, yeah, I guess everyone who went to that event in Anime Con or whatever, it was some type of anime event, they all got it now, I guess. So, yep, I don't know. We might go into lockdown here pretty soon. I certainly hope not. But what the hell? Never fails. So yeah, it's spreading. Low roller. Yeah. California was the first case. Someone came in from, I forgot where they came in from, but a traveler came into California. They got it, and now it's in New York. Colorado? I didn't hear about Colorado. It's all over already? It definitely is all over already, but, we're getting confirmed cases now. So it's probably all over California, all over New York City. Colorado I didn't hear about, but I guess that's, pretty recent. Not good. So, still a developing story here, but this is really not looking good in the short term. Hopefully it doesn't hit the stock market too hard. Okay. So, one more article about the government shutdown. So, yeah, we talked about this recently. I think it was yesterday, about the government shutdown. So, they came to an agreement. There's going to be no government shutdown. Which, you know, usually there isn't a government shutdown. Or if there is, it gets resolved pretty quickly. But let's read here. Congress strikes deal to avoid government shutdown one day before deadline, but roadblocks remain. Key points. The House reached a deal on a temporary government funding bill ahead of a Friday deadline to avoid a government shutdown. Let's give that some applause. The House plans to pass the legislation Thursday afternoon. The bill could face issues in the Senate, where a handful of Republicans are pushing to include language to bar a Biden administration vaccine mandate for private employers. We're not going to shut down the government. We're not going to shut the government down, Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell said Thursday. That makes no sense for anyone. Almost no one on either side thinks that's a good idea. Because it's not. But yeah. So, government shutdown likely averted. Not over yet, but this is good. You know, government shutdown is bad news. Okay. Whatever happened to Delta, since it is old news? It's still here. It's still here. It's still the main variant, I think, but no one really cares anymore. We all got our, you know, not all, but, you know, a lot of people got their vaccines and booster shots, and we were just learning to live with the Delta, and now this Omicron comes out. So, you know, it's going to be, most likely it's going to be like a never-ending cycle. You know, everyone panics about the first variant. I forgot what it's called, the Chinese one. Then we get back to normal. People start living and accepting, coping, start living with the first variant. Then Delta comes out, and everyone panics again, starts buying all the toilet paper again. You know, we all get vaccinated, booster shots, and then life goes back to normal. Everything opens up again. And now we got Omicron. Same shit. Everyone's going to buy toilet paper, and, you know, a lot of FUD. Market's going to go crazy, and then life is going to go back to normal, and then there's going to be a new one. So, you know, this is going to be never-ending. It's going to be never-ending. But, yeah, guys, that's all the news for today. So, let's go ahead and get to the analysis now. We're making some pretty good time today, and there's a lot of people in here today, so kind of surprising, but, yeah. Making great time so far. Only 45 minutes in, and we only got three things to analyze today. So maybe we'll finish in 2 hours. We'll see. All right, 1 second. Let's get to the analysis. All right. So, again, today we're going to do DWAC, PHUN, and CFVI. They're all related. They're all conservative media outlets, conservative news, social media. So for some reason, this sector is hot today. But yeah, gonna take a drink here, and we'll get started, guys. All right, yeah, this really shouldn't take too long. The TA is pretty easy here, pretty straightforward for all these stocks. All right, so here is DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp. This finishes at $47.11 today. That is up 6.22%. So this one started squeezing yesterday in the post market, and the momentum continued into today. So this was trending on StockTwits, pretty high up there. So let's talk about it. So there was some news, probably a big factor as to why this went up so much today. So let's take a look at that first. Um, okay. So the news is that the company is looking to raise $1 billion through hedge funds and family offices. And apparently the company is valued at $3 billion here. So they already have about $300 million in cash, and they're looking to raise another $1 billion. Oh no. So the company is currently valued at $875 million, and if they do successfully raise this $1 billion, the company would then be worth $3 billion approximately, valued at $3 billion. So that was really good news to the apes. And I guess the institutions too, because they're the ones that are going to be investing money into this mostly. So yeah, started squeezing up yesterday, finishes up over 6% today. So let's go ahead and analyze here. So first of all, this looks like a possible cup and handle in the making. Looks like the top of the cup is around 60, and the bottom would be around 38. So that would currently be a bullish indicator because that means this stock could run back up to 60 to complete this cup before the handle forms. So if this does, so this could run back up to 60, but once it runs back up to 60, I do expect this to pull back. There's also a gap up at $10, which you really can't see here because there's a lot of support here. But there is a gap up at $10, so that is a bearish indicator. That is telling us the stock may come back down to $10 eventually to fill that gap. There's a real possibility. There's a good possibility that never happens. But very interesting, very noteworthy. So, yeah, just remember that. Gap up at $10. It could come back down to $10 eventually. Hopefully not. Okay. And this is pulling back slightly in the aftermarket here. So that's a bearish indicator. That's a good indication that tomorrow this will pull back as well. All right. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 55.50 and 44.70. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 55.50, $60, 67.50, 74.60, 83.30, 94.10, 120.20, and then the high of 175. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 44.70, 37.65, 16.50, 12.75, 10.65, and then the low of 9.45. So right now at this current price, 47.10, the channels to the upside and the downside are very wide, so expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 16.50 to the downside, the channel starts to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks 16.50. RSI is currently at 50, so extremely average there. So according to the RSI, this current price of $47 is around fair market value, and this did 16 million in volume today. Let me see if that's average or not. Gotta go smaller here. Okay. That seems to be around the average volume, so this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Frames are dropping here. I wonder what's going on. Okay, guys, so just my opinion, not financial advice. In the short term, this does appear to be pretty bullish, but in the longer short term, this looks bearish. And in the long term, I would say it's bullish. So I do think there's a very real chance this comes back up to 60 to complete the cup, like I said before. But I really don't think it's going to go too much higher than 60. If it does, it could go back up to 68 or 75. But yeah, I do think this has a little bit more room to run to the upside. But then I think it's going to pull back. Personally, I think it's going to run to 60 and then pull back. Let me do some math here. 60 minus... So I just did some quick math. If this does in fact complete the cup at 60, the next step would be to form the handle. So I would expect it to pull back to 49-ish to form the handle. Because 49 is halfway between the top and the bottom of the cup, 60 and 38. And again, we have the gap up at $10, so this could come back down to $10 eventually. Doesn't look too realistic right now, but that could happen in the longer term. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, 47 is a pretty good entry. If this does go back up to 60, that is about a 30% upside there. Pretty good money to be made. Pretty good upside potential. Pretty good tendies. So I could support going long. I would just recommend selling at 60 if you're trading the stock. So yeah, going long looks like a pretty good play. I would support that. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that just yet because, again, this does appear like it does have more upside potential. So I would wait until this goes back up to 60 or higher. I don't like the entry of 47 on the short side, but I do like the entry of 60. And if it goes above 60, then you can just reshort at 68 or 75. And from 60 down to 49, which I expect this stock to pull back to form the handle, that's about a 20% downside. So pretty decent play there. Not the most tendies in the world, but pretty good play. So I would support going short at 60 and higher, and I would recommend covering at 49. Okay, so congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp. All right, next one, PHUN. Okay, here is PHUN Phunware. This finishes at $3.50 today. That is up 7.69%. So here's another stock that was trending. So here's another Trump-related stock here. This really trades in sympathy with DWAC. It did the first time, and it has ever since. I believe because they have a partnership together. So there wasn't any specific news to justify this price action. It just seems like this is following the trend that DWAC is following, which is up today. So, yeah, up almost 8% today. Let's go ahead and analyze here. So first of all, this does appear to be a possible cup and handle in the making. There could be a few tops. Could be 460. $660, $11.90, or the high of 24. But no matter where the top is, what's important is that this is currently a bullish indicator because this stock should run back up to one of those tops to complete it. There's also a gap up at around $2. So that would be a bearish indicator because that is telling us this stock may come back down to $2 eventually to fill that gap. May never happen because that is pretty far to the downside. But very noteworthy. Gap up at $2, bearish indicator. Okay. So this is pretty tight here. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 370, and 340. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 375, 1415, excuse me, 415, 460, 510, 550, 660, 875, 1190, and then the high of 2405. Okay. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 340, 310, 275. Gotta be careful here. Make sure I'm not missing anything. Dropping frames here. I don't know why. Let me zoom in. That doesn't really help too much. All right, 245, 215, 175, 150, 120, 90 cents, and then the low of 65 cents. Excuse me. And then the low of 65 cents. Let me just double check here. Yeah, that looks right. So right now with this current price, 350, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized. So expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 550 to the upside, the channels start to open up and get wide. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 550. The RSI is currently at 51, so extremely average there. So according to the RSI, this current price of 350 is around fair market value. And this did 107 million in volume today. Very significant volume. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. A lot of honking outside. Okay, guys. So this one is very, very similar to DWAC. Again, they tend to trade pretty much the same. So this one's not too different. I think this does have upside potential in the short term. Let's see here. I do think this should run to the upside and top out somewhere between 415 and 510. Damn ambulance. And 510. So that would be at least a 20% upside. A little more than that. So that's about a 20 to 50% upside there. Pretty wide range, but yeah, you should be able to make at least 20%, maybe even almost 50%. So a good amount of upside potential, a good amount of tendies to be made. So I could support going long here at 350. Seems like a pretty good entry, but don't get too greedy, and I would say just sell between 415 and 510. And right now in the aftermarket, this is pulling back slightly down to 335, so that is a bearish indicator. That tells us tomorrow we'll probably sell off. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, same thing like DWAC. I wouldn't do it just yet because this does have more upside potential. I would say hold off for a little bit. You should be able to get this at an entry of at least 415. And if it goes above 415, then you can just average down at the resistances that I mentioned before. So I don't like this current entry, 350, but I would support going short at 415 or higher. And then let's do some math here. What's up, educated fool? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. So let's do some math here. Let's make it simple. 280. Yeah, anyway. Don't want to make it too complicated. Yeah, I don't want to make it too complicated. We'll just stick with that. So yeah. Short term, this should keep running to the upside. In the longer short term, it should pull back a little bit. And in the long term, this looks like it looks bullish. So yeah, really not too much different from DWAC. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is PHUN Phunware. Alright, last one. CFVI. Making some really good time here. Okay, here is CFVI. CF Acquisition Corp. 6. This finishes at $10.58 today, and that is up 8.46%. So here's a SPAC. This was trending top 10 on StockTwits today, so we'll talk about it. And here's another one that's somewhat related to DWAC. The reason why this went up so much today is because they announced a merger with Rumble. And Rumble is a conservative social media platform. So same as DWAC. All these conservative platforms are really hot today. So this hit the high of 1438 and is pulled back pretty significantly, but still, great day for the stock today, up 8.46%. So let's go ahead and analyze here. So we do have a gap up at around 980. So that's a bearish indicator that is telling us the stock should pull back to 980 eventually to fill that gap. Probably going to happen in the short term. And yeah, that's about it. Okay. Let me draw another one here. Oh, wrong tool. Wrong tool. All right. So right now this is sitting on the support of 1060, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be $14 and then the high of $14.38, which it set today. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be $10.35, $10, $9.90, $9.80, and then the low of $9.65. Oh, excuse me. $9.80, $9.75, and then the low of $9.65. So right now at this current price, $10.60, the channels to the upside and the downside are very wide, so expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks $10 to the downside, the channel starts to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks $10. The RSI is currently at 93, so that is extremely overbought and extremely overvalued, so be careful, guys. And this did 98 million in volume today, very significant volume, biggest volume day ever for this stock, so this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, so I think this one is fairly obvious. There's a lot of bearish indicators here. Gap up, high RSI, high volume, hit the all-time high today. And this is pulling back in the aftermarket, which tells us that tomorrow is likely to pull back as well. So a lot of bearish indicators, no neutral indicators, and the only bullish indicator this has going for it is the strong social media sentiment, which can't last forever. So this does appear to be very bearish in the short term, in my opinion. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that just yet. Again, a lot of bearish indicators. This should continue to sell off in the short term here. Eventually, it should pull back to 980 to fill the gap, maybe even go lower. So I don't like the entry of 1060 for going long, but I do like the entry of 980 and lower. So I would support going long at 980 and lower. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, seems like a pretty good play to me. Actually, Now, if you want to go short, it's an okay play. It could pay off pretty big. I do think it's going to go down to 980, which is about a 10% downside, so that's really not the most tennies in the world, but it very well could pull back lower than that. You know what? We're not going to get that complicated. If you want to go short, it's an okay play, not the best, because from this current price, 1060 down to 980 to fill the gap, that's around a 10% downside. So, really not the most tendies in the world, but it is relatively safe. So going short here would be a low risk, low reward play. Not the most exciting play in the world, but again, relatively safe. So you should be able to easily make at least 10% here. So I could support it, but it's not as fancy as, you know, some of these other plays in the market. But I could support it. I could support it. Relatively safe play here. You guys don't always need to be apes. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up. Not financial advice, but it should pull back in the short term here. A lot of bearish indicators. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is CFVI, CF Acquisition Corp 6. All right. So that's it, guys. That is all the analysis we have for today. Didn't take too long. And we're making some pretty good time here. Only an hour and a half, or hour and 20 minutes. And we really don't have too many YOLOs. But it's YOLO time, so let's get to it. 1 second. All right, pulling them up now. How many people still here? I'm assuming a lot of people left. It says 4 people. All right. Yeah, so assuming a lot of people left because that's usually what happens. They come in early, people chill, and then when I get into the TA, gets pretty boring and people dip. But appreciate everyone who's still here. You guys are the real ones. So on to the fun part here. So we'll get started here very shortly. Gotta let this load. All right, so we'll give this a second, let it finish loading, and we'll get started. So 1 second, I'm gonna take a drink and let's get started. So I don't know why this is taking so long to load, but that's all right. We'll get started anyway. So today should be fun. Nothing too serious. Got a couple of memes here, and we have a Tesla YOLO, SoFi, and then 2 SPY YOLOs. So yeah, today there wasn't too much to choose from. I literally took like all the best ones. Wall Street Bets is slacking lately. All right, so let's do it. Peace, is still here. Appreciate you, dude. All right, this first one is by the Jeremy. Oh. They say potentially the largest threat to Wall Street Bets all year. Tendies on suicide watch. Oh, I shouldn't have said that. That's a bad word for YouTube. Oh well. Shadow ban. No, I'm kidding. What's up, Busy Bone? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Smash the like button, guys. Would appreciate that. So yeah, this is a meme here. Supply chain crisis now threatening chicken tenders. Uh-oh. Yeah, so this is a joke. You know, we have a supply chain issue right now. Everything is like bottlenecked. So, yeah, looks like we may not be getting our chicken tenders for a while here. So, you know, it's It's just a pun because the tendies, you know, we all want tendies, but no more chicken tenders. Damn it. So hopefully, you know, the supply chain issue gets sorted out and we get our tendies back. But this is pretty funny. This is pretty funny. You know what? I have the meme for that. Right? Forgetting to use them already. Nope, wrong one. No tendies? Alright, next one by Suyash7A. They say, Vanguard effed me. They exercised my calls without consent and then sold them at a huge loss. Okay. So, this guy's joking. Well, he's not joking, but it's his own fault. Let's just put it that way. They're not going to exercise your calls for no reason. This seems like a margin call here. But yeah. Action required, you must pay for a recent trade. $105,000. So I'm not exactly sure what this guy did to put himself in the hole, $105,000, but I'm assuming it's like max margin. He probably maxed out his margin and went all in on something stupid, and they liquidated him. So, lesson to you guys, be careful with margin. You know, margin is not free money. It was made for liquidity purposes, not really for trading purposes, but, you know, everyone just uses it for trading now. So, yeah, that sucks, but you know what? All you gotta do is delete the app. Delete Vanguard, and you'll be alright. It's like delete Robinhood, you know, it's a joke. No, this really sucks, but hey, no one to blame except himself here. So, can't really feel that bad, but this is some great content, love it. And don't do this, guys. You know, don't max out your margin. I would say don't even trade on margin. That's a bad idea. I've been margin called a few times in my life, in my career. Never fun, never fun. Nowadays, no more. I bet it's on a spread and hasn't settled. Yeah, like that Robinhood guy did with the box spreads. But they banned box spreads on Robinhood. Without my consent. So he got graped. Maybe he didn't understand the terms and conditions. He absolutely consented. Absolutely. The other legs haven't closed yet? Maybe. I really don't know. Really don't know. He didn't say. It's either max margin, 8 play, or, yeah, it's a spread that hasn't closed yet. But, either way, Vanguard didn't F him. He F'd himself. Totally his own fault, so he can't feel too bad. But great content. Love it. You can still do 4-way spreads on Robinhood. Yeah, but you can't do box spreads. They banned box spreads because of that guy. I think it's because of this guy, the good guy, right? Irony Man. Like he just did a box spread on max margin, and he kept accumulating his buying power. It was a glitch in the system, and I think they banned it because of that guy. These other brokerages have not, but Robinhood banned box spreads because of him. And a few other people, I think. But yeah, good stuff, great content. Thanks, Suyash7A. My advice, just delete the app. You'll be alright, dude. No, go work at Wendy's. I'll give him the Wendy's. See you behind Wendy's, dude. Alright. Next one. This one is by Flashy Echo 8099. They say, enjoy. Hope it heals. Hope it helps heal your wounds. Enjoy. So we got a lot of lost corn here. A lot of lost corn. I love it. So, I don't even know what the total loss is, but it's a lot. Right here is 70,000. It's probably like 300K. Let's just call it 300K in losses. It looks like, just right off the bat. But if we look at the plays, look, Roku, damn, he's down 82K on Roku. And these are all shares. Well, these are mostly shares. He has Apple and AMD and Tesla Yolos calls. But, yeah, these are mostly meme stocks. But this is ridiculous. How do you lose this much on shares? Anyway, so he's heavily invested in Roku, which is not a meme stock. That's a pretty good one. Just unfortunate it's going down so much. But PayPal, another legit stock that's getting wrecked, down 50K on that. Alibaba, another legit stock. He's down 40K on that. But then there's BIGC. I actually don't know what that one is. But Palantir, Clover, United Airlines, Rocket, Fubo, Robinhood, Rivian. Those are all meme stocks. You already know how that goes. I don't know what FSLY is. Or BIGC. But Intel, that's a legit one. Disney, Best Buy, those are pretty legit. Rivian is a meme stock. And, well, not a meme stock, just a bad stock. I would say bad EV stock. And then, you know, a few failed calls here. So, yeah, all in all, a lot of red. Big bloodbath. Down like over 200K here. Probably down 300K. So at least they're stocks, not options. So he can make his money back. I don't know about the meme stocks, but as long as he holds long enough, he should make his money back on Roku, PayPal, and Alibaba. Might take a lot of years, but yeah, this is a mixture of aping and investing gone wrong. Let's just put it that way. So I really can't blame him for you know, Roku, PayPal, Alibaba, maybe even Palantir, Disney. Those are all legit. Those are good stocks, but they just haven't gone. It just seems like he bought the high on all of those, so that's kind of his fault actually. But those are legit stocks. Can't blame him too much for that. And the meme stocks, that's totally his fault. You know, you live by the sword, you die by the sword. He needs to recover calls on them. Yeah, but he's probably gonna make $1. Make $1 a week on them. He would actually make a decent amount of money running covered calls, but he'd probably make $1 a week on all of these. You know, he can, but at this point, it's not even that much. But yeah, Flashy Echo 8099. Thanks for posting. Great content, extremely entertaining, but sorry for your loss, dude. This is disgusting. And oh, actually sold. He did write covered. He was selling calls on these. On Apple and AMD, which isn't even in his list here. But, yeah, you know, on the bright side, at least they're not FD Yolos. So if you hold long enough, you should be able to make your money back. Probably going to be a couple of years, though. But, hey, man, thanks for the post. Good luck to you. And please post updates. Let's read some comments. Dude, you're going to be so rich when you break even. This is true lost corn. Hell yeah. Alright, moving on to the actual Yolos now. So we got Tesla, SoFi, and 2 SPY Yolos. So this one is by Waleed Boy 535. They say, first time with calls. Absolutely zero idea what I'm doing. Am I doing it right? Also, how do I make money from this? Yep. Ape luck. Ape beginner's luck here. These are actually puts, not calls. Is he stupid? First time with puts. First time with options. Imagine he hit the wrong button. He hit put instead of call, and he banked it here. Yeah. So they're not calls, they're puts. But here we got 3 puts for Tesla, all expiring tomorrow, December 3rd. So super FDs. We got 2 puts for the 1160 strike, 1 put for the 1115 strike, and 1 put for the 1130 strike. So, this appears to be a 9K YOLO, approximately. And right now he's up almost 14K. 150%. So let's check out Tesla. He should be okay, though. Tesla is at, let's call it 1085. So, yeah, these are all in the money. And got 1 day to go. I mean, he should be okay. He should be okay. He should be okay, but you never know. So I think the best play is just to cut it all right here. You gotta be happy with, oh, actually, my bad. I read it wrong. It was a 120% gain in total. But yeah, you gotta be happy with the 120% gain. And if you never know what's gonna happen tomorrow, Jay Powell might decide to turn the money printer on, and these might go in the money, or out of the money. My bad. Crazier stuff has happened before. So at this point, I think the only play here is to cut everything and secure the gains. There's really no point in holding this for 1 day longer. He should be okay, but crazy things have happened before, so just be safe. Secure the gains here. Only play. So as for the plays, the puts themselves, good strikes, bad expirations, but good timing. So, pretty risky stuff, but it worked out. Beginner's luck. Like, I legit think he wanted calls and he bought puts instead. I don't know. But yeah. Waleed Boy 535, thanks for posting. Great content. Congratulations to you so far. Not over yet. But you're in pretty good shape here. And yeah, dude. You got a little lucky here. Beginner's luck. That's all you need sometimes. And at this point, the only play is to cut everything. Cut everything. Secure your 120% gain. Because if you don't, this could go pretty bad tomorrow. But yeah, man, congrats to you. And I guess post an update. Read some comments here. Clearly because those are puts. I spent months studying this and wishing I had the money to buy Tesla and Rivian puts, and this guy just clicks some buttons and makes fabulous thousands. Yep, sums it up. So, I'm just kind of concerned because this is usually what happens with beginners, and they get hooked. Like a gambling addict, you get hooked. Easy $12,000, and then he's going to try it again, and he's going to lose everything. So, yeah, advice in the future, dude. Chill out with the options. Don't chuck it right back. Enjoy your tendies here. That's what I would say. All right, 3 more. Why am I not getting any frames here? Marvin's back. All right, dude. Glad you're back. We're almost done. We're almost done though. We got 3 more YOLOs here. Quick show today. Very, very quick show, which is unusual because there's a lot of people in here. But that's all right. We're probably going to finish up at 6 o'clock here. 2-hour show. But appreciate all you guys who are still here. You guys are the real ones, real MVPs. All right. This one is by Engine. No, EG89. EG89. They say, is SoFi coming back? Put all my eggs in one basket, waiting for bank charter pop. I love this new meme. All right. So, yeah, I haven't even looked at this yet, but I can tell this is a really, really bad idea. So, typical ape stuff. He YOLO'd everything into options. Never a good idea. And this is what you call ape diversification. He diversified by different strikes and different expirations. Alright. So here we got 200 calls for SoFi. A lot of different calls here. Three calls for the 21. Alright, so for tomorrow, December 3rd, we got 3 calls for the 21 strike. Then for January 21st, we have 14 calls for the 20 strike, 96 calls for the 25 strike. And then for February 18th, we have 33 calls for the 30 strike and 54 calls for the 20 strike. So yeah, once again, ape diversification. I don't know why the frames are so bad here, but hope it's not, hope it's okay for you guys. That's all right. Audio is fine. So yeah, this was a 22K YOLO, approximately. And right now he's down about 11K. 48%. Alright, let's check it out. SoFi needs April or July calls. This could be an okay play. Let's check it out. What's SoFi at? I mean, it's not going good right now. Alright, 1650. Well, the RSI is at 33. Not really catching any support yet, but it could be bottoming out soon. But, yeah, I don't know. I don't know about... Well, for 20, that's about a 30% upside. For 25, that's a lot more. 25 would be, what, 70%? Something like that. So it's not looking great. So, yeah, this one is definitely done. 21 calls for tomorrow. So, do you think in, like 1.5 months here, it's going to go to 20? 30% upside? It's pretty unlikely. Pretty unlikely. Pretty much, this would have to be a short squeeze for this to work. Possible, but pretty unlikely. You just got to pray to Jesus that this stock squeezes. Big institutions been buying up the stock. Yeah, but it's still pretty bad. It doesn't look like it's bottomed out just yet. I don't think it's going to work. Maybe if he had more time, yes. Like April or July, like you said. But January, February, I don't know. 20 is good? I don't know, dude. 1.5 months, $20 strike. Tough situation. Either way, tough situation. So, yeah, do you let it ride or do you cut it here? Personally, I'd probably cut it. But, I'm just more conservative when it comes to stuff like this. Waiting for bank charter. What he needs to do... You know what? Is there a date for the bank charter? Because if there is, like, a specific date for that, that sounds like a sell the news event. So, I'm not too familiar with the situation. But if it's a random event... then yeah, you can justify holding this. And when that does come out and the stock pops, sell it. because it's going to go back down. Because that's PR waiting to happen. And PR is always a pump and dump. And if there is a certain day for this catalyst, yeah, honestly, I'm just not liking this at all. Even if the bank charter thing goes through, no dates. All right. So I guess you can justify holding this until that happens. And when it does, and it catches a pop, probably not going back up to break even, but at least you can save face here and get some money back. All right, so I think that's the play. Hold this until bank charter comes out. Hopefully that happens before 1.5 months. Yeah, I really don't know, because if that takes more than like two months here, if it takes more than 3 months, he's gonna lose all his money before it does come out. But yeah, I guess this is a 50-50 here. You can cut your losses here, because 12K is still a lot of money, and he shouldn't just throw that down the toilet. But you know what? I think he should just cut. He should just cut, because even if the bank charter does come out, he's not going to make all his money back. If that comes out, the stock is going to pop, and he's going to make some money back, but he's not going to break even. So, and there's a good chance it does not come out before February 18th. So, yeah, I think the best play is just to cut it here. This looks like an unsuccessful trade. So, and as for the plays themselves, strikes are not the best. That's pretty out of the money. Expirations are not the best. A couple of months, they're not super FDs, but still pretty bad. So, yeah, this is just pretty bad play, and it's going wrong here. So if I can run hard in a day, it can, but in order to hit these strikes, it's going to take a lot. It's going to take a lot. I am biased. Yeah, sounds like it, dude. It sounds like you have a position. Yeah, like I said, the only way this is really going to work is if this short squeezes. If we get meme mania around, round 2? Round 3? Round 3. So, he should have bought further out. Should have bought, yeah, like you said, April or July calls. That would have been a lot better. This is not looking great here. So, yeah, I'd cut it. I cut it. Still a lot of money. 12K. Save it. Because this is probably not going to work. So, EG8N, thanks for posting. Great content. Very entertaining. Sorry for your loss so far. But yeah, dude, I really don't like these plays. I don't like the strikes. I don't like the expirations. And it seemed like it was timed very poorly. So all around pretty bad, in my opinion. And at this point, I don't even think the bank charter is going to save you. It may help a little bit, but I don't think it's going to save you. You're going to lose money no matter what, probably. Unless it short squeezes. So, yeah, dude, I would probably cut everything here and save the 12K, but no matter what happens, please post updates. Want to see what you do with this one. This is a very tough situation. This could work out, but I think it's more unlikely than probably unlikely. All right, 2 more. So last 2 are about SPY. This one is by Pizza Beer Code. They say market can't make up its mind. Not mad about this daily double. All right. So Super FD here. 100 calls for SPY expiring tomorrow. 451 strike. So this was a 41K YOLO, $41,000 YOLO. And right now he's up over 41K, 41.5K, 101%. So yeah, super FD. I don't recommend you guys do this unless you have the money to gamble. And yeah, he's up 100% in a day here. So Hey, congrats to you, man. Pretty risky play. Good strike. Bad expiration. Good timing. So very risky, but it paid off here. And yeah, dude. What's SPY at? 457. Okay. So honestly, I think this one is pretty straightforward. You gotta be happy with 100% in a day. Just cut it. Just cut it. Because you never know what's gonna happen tomorrow. It could pull back and you lose a lot of money, or it could pull back and go out of the money. So don't get too greedy. Just secure the gains. You got pretty lucky here already. You gotta be happy with 100%. I think this is pretty obvious. You gotta cut here. But you know, this is Wall Street Bets. He's probably gonna hold it till expiration. Hold it through expiration, which it should be okay. But I just think he has to cash here. Too risky. Too risky. But yeah, Pizza Beer Code. Thanks for posting. Great content. Congratulations on your gain so far. Not over yet. But yeah, dude, very well done. Risky stuff, but paid off here. Again, good strike, bad expiration, good timing. So pretty good play overall. And at this point, I think you should just cut it. Because if you don't, you may lose a lot of money, or you may lose everything if it goes really, really bad. So, you know, got to be happy with 101%. Just secure the gains. Move on, dude. But, yeah, dude. Thanks for posting. And good luck to you. Please post updates. With how much up and down SPY is doing, I may start running 2-dayers. You're going to go with the FDs? Well, I mean, sounds like a pretty good idea. You know, we see these SPY options trades lately. These guys are making a lot of money and losing a lot of money. But, yeah, high risk, high reward. So, yeah, man, go ahead. Not financial advice. And please share. Please share with the community. Oh, by the way, dude, are you in a Discord? I'm not sure if you are. But if you're not in Discord, you know, consider joining. Link in the description. And then we can chat whenever you want. You may be already, but you may be under a different name. Anyway. All right, last one. This one is by Sinister. They say, I bought high and sold when it was low. Am I doing this right? Yes. So typical Wall Street Bets is buy high, sell low, but he did it with puts, so he did it correctly. So yeah, here we got 25 SPY puts, 459 strike, expiring tomorrow, December 3rd. Should check that out. No idea what Discord even is. Really, dude? You don't know what Discord is? It's pretty popular. It's well, it's mostly used for gaming, but it's just a community chat room. So it's really easy to join. You know, just hit the link in the description, and it'll bring you over to my chat room, and you know, a bunch of people already in there in the community. So you know, during the day, we just chat about what's going on. But yeah, you don't know what Discord is, dude? Like, everyone uses it for Xbox, PC, yeah, even pretty much all the gamers use it. It's mostly a gaming thing, but yeah, it's just a chat room. Very popular, dude. I'm surprised you never heard of it. But yeah, you know, be sure to join, dude. Link in the description. Okay. So. Alright, so yeah, 25 puts, 459 strike, expiring tomorrow. So this was a 14K YOLO, approximately. No, I'm bugging, not 14K. This was a 4K YOLO, approximately. And right now he's up 20K, $20,000, 467%. Incredible. Is this right? Because SPY went up today. How did he make money? Doesn't make much sense. I think he already sold it. That's why. I think he sold it before today. So, I don't know. I'm just speculating. He had to have sold this before today. Because today was, a straight moonshot. So, yeah, I think it's already over. So, yeah, the play itself, very risky. Good strike. Bad expiration. Good timing. But very well done. Very risky, high risk, high reward, and it paid off. 20K in 1 day, 467%. Very impressive. And he hit the sell button. That's the key. When it comes to stuff like this, you gotta hit the sell button. Because if you don't, if you hold it through expiration, like most apes, you're probably gonna lose everything. So very well done. He literally hit the sell button at the right time here. So yeah, Sinister, thanks for posting. Congrats to you, man. Very impressive. Super FD, and it worked out. So yeah, don't attempt this, guys, unless you can afford to lose the money. But hey, it worked out here, so congrats to you, man. Enjoy the tendies. Good job, Artard. I'm proud of you. Robinhood users are truly retarded. You mean Wall Street bets? Yep. All right. So it looks like Low Roller has 2 more here for us. But yeah, we're getting towards the end of the show here. All right, let's let these load. Only an ape can make money on SPY puts while SPY is going up. Lol. Yeah, that doesn't really make too much sense to me how that happened. I think he sold it yesterday and just posted it today, because that doesn't make any sense. You can sell SPY puts, but apes don't sell options. They only know buy options, and they don't know sell button. So that guy knows sell button, so he's not a total crayon eating ape. He's a ape with a brain. Alright. Alright, so we reviewed this guy 2 times before by G America Industries. This is the guy with the all-in GME max margin YOLO. I think I'm on Discord. Go. Let me check. There it is. There he is. Yeah, gotcha, dude. So yeah, pretty straightforward. It's just the chat room. We got our different sub chats on the left, and yeah, pretty much everyone in the chat here is in Discord. So we talk throughout the day on what's going on. But yeah, glad to have you there, Boxer. Welcome to the Discord. Took long enough. All right. So portfolio diversity 108%, incredible. So here's an update. We've been we reviewed this guy 2 times already the past 2 days. Was it up today? Yeah, it went up 7K today, but he's still down 20% in total. Still down 144K. What an ape. This is the definition of ape. This guy's a legend. Straight up. Don't know how this is going to go. I'm rooting for him, but what a legend. What a legend. Don't do this, guys. So, yeah. Up 1.23% today, but still down 20K or 20% in total. Down 144K. So, I guess we'll just have to continue to monitor this guy here. But yeah, G America Industries. Thanks for posting again. Love the update, and you are a true arthard, true ape. But hey, I love it. Great content, and good luck to you, dude. Continue to post updates. Want to continue? I want to keep up with this play here. M is for moron. Damn right. Imagine getting margin called and losing your life savings on a meme. You are the true MVP. Agreed. What a legend. Whatever happens, he has my respect. What a legend. All right, last one by Eddie Sue. Sounds Asian. I bought Baba at June 25th. I cut losses today. My account, my sister account, and wife account. I hope he's joking, but it doesn't sound like he's joking. Your wife is going to leave you for a boyfriend soon. All right, let's check it out. Okay. So he's down. So in 6 months, he's down 61%, down 235K. Still has 150K though. So yeah, he ain't poor, but goddamn. R.I.P. Baba? Yeah, damn right. R.I.P. Baba. It's my R.I.P. to Baba. And R.I.P. to that Asian guy who sold the debit spread on that. Give him. Yep. R.I.P. to Baba. Oh, damn. No, it gets worse. It gets worse. Okay. Okay. Oh, no, these are different accounts. I see. These are different accounts. So, seems like he was, like, heavily invested. Seems like he was, like, all in on all three accounts. It seems like he was managing money for his sister and his wife, which is illegal. Don't do that, guys. So, yeah, so I guess his account, he lost 235K, 61%. His sister's account, he lost 117K, 62%. And his wife's account lost 77K, 62%. Yeah. Ouch, ouch. So really, this is just a case of bad diversification. I understand. Baba's a good stock. Honestly, just hold it. Well, he said he cut losses today, but why would you cut losses? Dude, why would you cut at this point? Just hold it. Oh my god. Ouch. Yeah, so this is the worst thing you can do. Cut losses here at the bottom. Why would you do that? That makes no sense. Hey, but he belongs here. True Wall Street Bets Ape. I just hope his family's okay, and I hope his wife doesn't leave him for her boyfriend. But, yeah, this is just bad diversification. And, yeah, buy high, sell low. This guy belongs here. What a legend. I post another link. It is last one. Oh, Dogecoin. All right. I didn't see that. Got you, dude. Wow, this man is amazing. Yeah, only an ape can do this. The guy should use YOLO entire account on Dogecoin. Well, that's better than Alibaba, but no. No, don't YOLO your whole account on anything. Diversification. What an awful Christmas. Yeah, he's gonna get divorce papers for Christmas. Yeah, when's the divorce? Like I just said. Not gonna happen. Last year, my journey of losing 100K. This year, my journey of losing 500K and blowing up my family's account. But yeah, apparently this guy is a legend at losing money here. What a legend. What a legend. This is legendary. Not only did you lose your money, you also lost money for everybody in your family. Christmas partying will be somber this year. Just looked at some of your post history. I think you need to seek gambling addiction help. Wife's boyfriend won't like Christmas at all. Buddy was holding shares and sold at the bottom. Yep. You forgot to post your wife boyfriend's account. Yep. Pretty much everyone is saying exactly what I said. This is just the worst possible thing. How does this... What? How do you do this? Number one, diversification. He went all in one stock. Not for himself, his whole family. And number two, why would you cut this? Why would you sell at the bottom? This is so stupid. Just hold it, dude. Just hold it. And then you can make your money back. Eventually, Alibaba will go back up eventually. Who knows when, but it will. Why would you cut it at the bottom? This is the perfect example of buy high, sell low. This guy literally belongs here. Like, you can't get any more crayon-eating ape than this. I guess you can. At least they're not FD Yolos. But you know what? At this point, I'm not going to... He probably might just take the rest of it and just YOLO it on FDs. Like, why not? Make his money back. Yep, he done cut it. Damn lol. He got lifetime tax deduction. Yeah, pretty much. 235K, that's about 75 years. Over 7, that's like 80 years of tax deductions. Literally lifetime tax deduction. He is a master, buy high, sell low. This man is a wizard. Yeah, what a legend. What a legend. I respect it though. I love it. I love it. I feel bad, but hey, this is what Wall Street Bets is all about. Should have bought a few leaps. That would have not that would not work. I have Alibaba leaps and expiring next year, 2023, and I'm pretty underwater here. I don't think that would have worked either. If he bought leaps, he would have lost even more money. Good thing he didn't. How much does he have to lose? Well, he still has 150K here in his account, and he has 71K in his sister's account, and 46K in his wife's account. So I guess he has like 200K left to lose. I'm telling you, I have a feeling he's gonna take it and YOLO it on options. I just have a feeling he would be such a legend if he did that. If he did that. But great stuff, great stuff. Great stuff. So I really feel bad for this guy, but you know what? I mean, I don't blame him for the Alibaba play, but you gotta diversify. You gotta diversify. And I don't know why the hell he sold. But yeah, great stuff. Love it. Alright, last one. I think this one's about Doge. Why is McDonald's recruiting crypto bros? Hey, crypto bros, we are hiring. Because they know who should work there. Not just crypto bros, like Wall Street Bets bros. But I'm surprised it's McDonald's. It should be Wendy's, not McDonald's. Wendy's. But hey, pretty much the same thing. Yeah, they're hiring crypto bros because they know who their target is. You lose everything in meme coins, in pump and dumps, and then you go work for McDonald's and Wendy's and Burger King. They can't spell bros correctly? Why is everyone just saying they can't spell correctly? That is true. They put apostrophe in the bros. So there's a huge billboard and they effed up the grammar. Yeah, they're just as retarded as some of these apes. He should YOLO into MMAT. You should YOLO into Dogecoin. Yeah. Dogecoin would probably be the better play. But Dogecoin is better than MMAT and Alibaba right now. So I'm for the 150K YOLO in Dogecoin. Well, you know what? I'm for diversification, but yeah, Dogecoin is better than Alibaba right now. Wouldn't be Wall Street Bets if he didn't sell. Damn right. He belongs here. All right. So yeah, guys, that is the show for today. That's a good ad. That's a great ad. Yes, that's the show for today, guys. So yeah, great show. Thank you guys for a great show. A lot of people in here today, and got through a lot of content, good stuff, great YOLOs, and we made some pretty good time here. 2 hours, 10 minutes. So yeah, thank you to everyone who joined today. All the regulars, appreciate you guys. Thank you to everyone new who came in. Thank you to everyone who stayed till the very end. You guys are the real MVPs. Really appreciate it. Great show today. These past shows, like this past week, has been really good. I think I got unshadow banned, and I'm getting my mojo back here. YouTube's promoting me again, but yeah, really appreciate you guys. You guys make the show possible, and we've been having some really great shows lately. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed. And, yep, thank you a lot. So, yeah, that's it. That's all I got. So anything else before we get out of here? Questions, comments, concerns, graphs, charts? I saw the kid laughing in comment section. Scroll down, the kid is laughing. In I already exited out, so sorry, man. McDonald's is a gold mine. You know they own all the real estate on the franchises. Yeah, they're like half a real estate company. They own a lot of real estate. Them and the Mormons. and Scientology now, apparently. McDonald's, Mormons, Scientology. They own a lot of real estate in America. See ya, and good fun show. Yeah, great show, and glad to have you on the Discord now, Boxer. So, anything that happens live, we can chat about it now. Look at the kid. Yeah, sorry, Low Roller. I already hit the X button. So, my bad, dude. You are back on the market now. Yep, YouTube promoted me again. And soon, within a month, I'll be rainbow bearing again. Took a break after I got wrecked on DWAC. Ironic, because we talked about it today. But yeah, very soon I'll be back to rainbow bearing. And just an update on, I'm halfway through the textbook for the Series 6.5. So hopefully I can get through that, within a month or two, and I'll get my license and officially have my RIA firm open. So I don't know what I'm going to name it yet, but, I'm open to suggestions. I would love to name it Smarter Gambling Capital, but, got to be a little bit more professional, because I'm going for, like, high-value clients, so you really can't name it anything that's stupid. But, yeah, that's going to happen pretty soon. So, yeah, it's been great here. So thank you guys a lot, once again. All right. So anything else before we get out of here? Why are the frames so bad? That's all right. Rainbow time. Yeah, almost. I need to get a Rainbow Bear meme. I'll write that down. Rainbow Bear meme. Or just a rainbow meme in general. Alright, so I think that's it. Let's get out of here. Frames are pretty bad, but hey, can't do anything. That's alright. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, hit the like button. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. I like the sound of Smarter Gambling Capital. Me too, but again, in reality, my target client base is probably going to be like older people, like 50, 60 years old, and that's not very professional and appropriate. They probably won't like that. Oh, damn, I have my water bottle out here, too. That's all right. Smart G Cap. That's better. Smart G Capital. Yeah, well, we got a couple of months before, we decide on that. But yeah, I'm open to suggestions on what the name should be. All right. Oh, wow, I didn't put on the shades. Wow, let's redo that. Wow. I didn't put on the shades. Let's redo that whole thing. I effed up. That's the first time. All right, let's redo that. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, hit the like button. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.